Hello, welcome back to the pet room. We've just done surgery on this machine and it's in the recovery stage. It seems to be okay, but we're just about to take chips that came out of a VIC-20 and put them in to see what's what. First I will look at the pins. They look okay. Then I will look for the witness mark. Make sure I have it in the right configuration. And what else do I need here? I need this little lamp. It's funny sometimes, you got all this light, but you can't see. Alright. So I believe it's lined up. I will push it in. Here is another RAM chip stolen from a VIC-20. This is a VIC-20 that had smoked. I do not feel bad about sacrificing it for parts. Things happen. I will get this lined up. I will have a look-see, and I will push it in. And all the pins seem to be okay. I will double check. Okay, now, there are a number of things that we don't know. Do we know that the chips that were in the VIC-20, do you know that they're good? No, we don't know. Do we know that what I did is the chips that were actually bad? No, we don't know. So I guess we just turn it on. See what happens. We apply power. Commodore Basic 4.0, 31,743 bytes free. So indeed, it was the RAM chips. Now, or was it one? Or was it more than one? That is the question. This is one, of course. We can find out. Now, I'm always afraid when putting things back in of damaging the socket. So, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. What are we going to do? I'll try and line these up. Because if there is a good chip, of course, we want to make sure we know it's good. And if they're both bad, so be it. But generally, it's not both. But you never know, you know. You never know. Alright. So I think I can move this closer. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. Oh, by the way, it's the keyboard. The keyboard is still very, very, very dead. But it could be dirty. Okay, so we have the pet is off. I am in search of a small screwdriver. So I'm going to try UF8. I don't know why, but I will. But I am. Okay. Nope. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. So this was in that side. And now I have two possible chips to pick from. I will pick this one to give a try. Once again, looking at the little legs. It looks all fine. I will set it in position. And put it in. And I think it looks all good. I'm not too sure though. Gotta look at this one. Yeah, it looks okay. Alright, we'll turn it on. Let's see what comes up. Aha, we see dollar signs. Much like before. Okay, so definitely that chip is bad. So with great care and tenderness, we'll wiggle this out of here. Come on, come on. Okay, and as before with the bad chip, I'm going to stick it in the side of the foam here. And now we have another. This was the one from this machine. We'll test it in the same socket. The pins look okay. We'll line it up and pop it in. And then we'll turn it on. Commodore Basic 4.0. 31,743 bytes free. So we'll put this chip back on the top of this. And this one on the side. If they're on the side, it's not happy. So we have another working pet. And life is good. I think I'm going to just turn this off for a second. This chip might look a little off kilter. Yep, okay. We're in. Let's try it again. Okay. Woohoo! Life is good. Alright. So, I can take this light off.